Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best sprinkler pads for kids currently on the market, the VISTOP non-slip splash pad. If you're looking to turn your backyard into a water wonderland for your little ones, this could be exactly what you need. Let's start with an overview of what makes this splash pad stand out. It's designed not only for kids but also for our furry friends, dogs. The pad comes in various sizes, but we're focusing on the 77-inch version today, providing ample space for play. First off, safety is paramount. The non-slip texture ensures that kids and pets can enjoy the water without worrying about slipping. It's made from durable materials, specifically 0.55 mm thick, which means it can withstand the rough and tumble of outdoor play. The design includes a double edge that helps manage water pressure effectively, preventing leaks and ensuring longevity. Setting up is straightforward. Simply connect it to a garden hose, adjust the water pressure to control the height of the sprinklers, and voila, instant backyard fun. Whether it's a hot summer day or you're planning a backyard party, this splash pad provides the perfect solution. It's versatile enough for children of various ages, from toddlers to older kids, and even your four-legged companions can join in the fun. Wrapping up, if you're looking for a reliable and fun way to beat the heat, the VISTOP non-slip splash pad is definitely worth considering. It's designed with safety and durability in mind, catering to both kids and pets alike. Just remember to trim your pet's nails before use to avoid any accidental punctures. Overall, it's a fantastic addition to any backyard. If you're interested in purchasing this splash pad, I've included a link in the description below where you can check out more details and read other user reviews. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this one.